Hello everyone. Today's demo is slightly different from my previous demos. I'm configuring it, Bollinger Band. I changed to 20 period with a duration of 2, and this is a Euro chart, 5-second chart. And it doesn't look good, so I don't like it. I'm gonna change the asset. Going to US dollar and the Canadian dollar pair. This is I think the first time I'm using the 5-second chart. Okay, this one looks good, so I instantaneously placed the call and it came down, so I nested one more call, and this one, the green, penetrated the upper Bollinger Band very nicely, which means it's gonna keep growing up. Well, I don't know, maybe next couple minutes, that's what I think. So maybe 2 options you can trade for call in this financial chart, Canadian dollar and the US dollar. Okay, it's already concluded. 2 nested. Next one, I'm gonna keep positioning the same call position. It's coming down, but it's gonna go up again. So the 5-second chart is pretty fast, but sometimes, or recently, I kind of like it much better than 30-second chart, because it kind of keeps me on top of everything, and I don't have to really wait at dull moments. You get the result very quickly. Why I trade on the binary option is you get the result very quickly, and that's all to it for me. Anyway, now this chart is a little confusing now. It stopped, finished moving upwards, but the question is, it's reversed or not. I'm not sure, so I came back to the US and Euro and USD, but I don't like it, so I opened the AUD, Australian dollar, and the US dollar. I didn't like it. Now it's English, British pounds, and US dollar. I don't like it. Now it's a New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Let's see, I don't like it. Now, last thing, US dollar and Norwegian krone. I don't like it. Maybe there's one more forex, US dollar and JPY, but that's a 70%. So I went back to the Euro and the US dollar. Now it looks good. It's another same thing you saw on US dollar and Canadian dollar. But I was wrong. It's now falling down. It's a reversal. So I immediately placed a put to compensate the loss. I placed a call position earlier into the wrong direction, and I hope this compensation will help to minimize the loss on this wrong positioning. And luckily this one worked, so I lost only $100. Back to the US dollar and the Canadian dollar. It's falling. I think it's gonna keep falling towards the bottom Bollinger Band. I'm placing 2 nested $100 here. my prediction was correct. It's falling down and it's working. So this basically the outer Bollinger Band, when the candle approaches or penetrates it, it's a kind of the signal. It can go either way. It depends on the strength of the candlestick. It's strong, it's gonna keep growing, and if it's weak, it's gonna bounce back as a reversal. For this one, it's a reversal. Once the red candle touched the bottom Bollinger Band, now the green's gonna grow. So I'm nesting 3 call positions. What's promising around nearby the Bollinger Band is that the candlestick doesn't stay there. It's gonna either outgrowing towards the original direction or bounce back to the reversal direction. It doesn't stay on the Bollinger Band, so it's a good place to place the positions. Okay, this one, it's now the Bollinger Bands are getting too narrow. Now it's growing up, so it's good. It was getting narrow, but now it's gonna widen up. See, now it's penetrated the Bollinger Band, and this one is keep growing up. So I place the call, and this one I should win. In 8 seconds. After this, now it's reversed. Red candle is coming down, so I may keep trading on this option for the reversal. I'm nesting because there's some resistance. The green grew upwards, but it's a resistance, it's not a reversal. So I can keep nesting it to capitalize on it, get more profit out of the one option. And now how quick it is. If I win this, I win up to $2,000, 100% profit, almost in 6 minutes of the trading. It's very quick, and that's what binary option is for. It's quick. And here we go. So this is just a short and quick demonstration how to work with the 5 seconds chart and changing around to the different assets that works for you. Until the next time, see you soon. Bye.